Hello there. In this video, I will try to show what I think is a bug in Atom. So this is what I want to do. I want to remove this part in these two uh, tags. So what I'll do is I will match. So I will match this and this and the closing tag, and I will capture those parts and remove replace the whole thing with those captured parts. So this is not captured, so this will be removed. Okay, so I do that with the regular expression. Okay, opening tag and closing tag. So here I match something, can be full, can be bar, anything, and then the three zeros. Okay, so that seems to match the two occurrences. Now I capture the groups, right? And I replace with the two groups. So if I replace, it does what I want. So that's perfect. Let me undo what I've just done. However, if I do this in the project in several files, you will see, well, I find all, and the preview of the results looks okay. But when I actually replace all and confirm, this is what I get. So it is using the capture groups of the first occurrence to replace in all the cases. So this is not okay. I hope that was clear, and yeah, thanks for your attention.